Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of the Google Chromecast 2020 edition built in with Google TV. So this is the first ever Chromecast that comes with a full-fledged operating system, which in this case is not Android TV per se, but Google TV. But my understanding is that Google TV is actually based upon Android TV. So Android TV is at the core, and then Google TV is kind of like a type of skin overlay, if you will. So very interesting to see what will happen. And this is also the first ever Chromecast to come with remote control. So it's a very interesting direction. I'm sure a lot of people have been anticipating something like this. I have as well, to have a remote with a Chromecast with an operating system. But with such a small device, I'm wondering how the operating system will perform. Will it be fast or slow? But the review video will have more information. So continuing with the unboxing, here's the Chromecast unit itself. Typical, very small Chromecast unit. It can fit in your hand. That's just how small it is. So no surprise here. It's kind of what I anticipated, and that's probably a factory reset button. Looks to be USB-C fitting for power this time. Very nice touch. Very happy about that. And then of course the other side is HDMI, which goes directly into your TV. And in the other little box here is, well, the remote. And this is the one that I'm very interested to see how it'll perform with the operating system. And so yeah, the remote feels a little cheap, but that's okay. It's a cheap unit overall. Very compact. Seems to have a decent amount of buttons for basic functionality. Google Assistant button. It is a Netflix button. That's surprising. So YouTube, I expect, is a YouTube shortcut button, but I'm surprised it's not a Google Play TV or Google Play Movies shortcut button. They put Netflix instead. Anyway, so here's a getting started guide. Setting up Chromecast units are always very straightforward. The instructions are on the TV the second you plug in and power up the Chromecast unit for the first time. Safety and warranty information I'm just going to toss to the side because, yeah, I'm not going to look at that. So here's the power brick. So it's very compact, very small in a power bar. It is USB-A fitting, very strange, but at least the Chromecast unit itself is USB-C, so I'll let that slide. And then of course the power cord itself, which looks to be very typical standard 5 foot in length, very normal cable length for any home theater type of device. So I'll get that out of the way. And there are the batteries, 2 AAA batteries included for the remote. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the 2020 Google Chromecast. You can find a link to the review in the video description. Be sure to also check my social links in the video description, and thanks for watching.